7 Ways to Improve Maintenance Inventory Management, Part 4. Number 7, a single, integrated system. Having one complete system to manage your maintenance, including inventory management, has a few key benefits. The first is data accessibility, consistency, and quality. With everything in one place, you can track, report, and transfer knowledge with efficiency and accuracy. The second is training. Instead of training separate departments on separate systems, you only need to train the whole organization on one system. Lastly, having one system saves you the cost of buying multiple systems and connecting them. If you manage inventory and preventive maintenance with CMMS software, you don't need to invest in an expensive ERP system as well.